Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and today we're going to be taking a look at my Amazon renewed premium iPhone 14 Pro that I picked up, probably about 3 weeks, almost a month ago. And I wanted to do a review on this phone because I have found out some stuff about it that it's not actually renewed. It's a brand new phone. I pulled up coconut battery, plugged it in, and this was after almost a month of me using it. It only has 27 charge cycles on it. And Amazon doesn't replace batteries. They say that the renewed ones have a battery capacity of at least 80% or greater, and the renewed premium ones have a battery capacity of at least 90% or greater. So they're not going around replacing batteries. The phone manufacturer date's not shown on coconut battery because they randomized the serial number now, but the battery manufacturer date is 11/21/2022. So I don't know where this phone came from, how Amazon got it for the renewed program. It didn't come with the original box. It came in the Amazon renewed box, as you guys saw in the live unboxing I did. But when I got it, the screen was in perfect condition. This is the silver one, so if it was used, I would expect some scratching on the rails here, but there was nothing there. It looked like a brand new phone. And I believe that it was a brand new phone, so I don't know if somehow it just got returned somewhere, because Amazon doesn't really sell iPhones brand new. They sell the renewed ones, the renewed premium ones, and then they sell like the 12s and 13s on like carrier locked, like prepaid subscription kind of things. So they don't really sell 14 Pros at all, other than, like I said, the renewed ones. So the only thing about this phone is it was considered renewed premium, but it was actually about $25 more than if I went to the Apple store and picked up the iPhone 14 Pro brand new from Apple. So I'm not really too sure what was happening there. But the reason I bought it on Amazon was because Amazon delivery, I could get it sooner. If I ordered it from Apple, by the time I paid for shipping, it was going to be about the same price. But the point is, they didn't call this a new phone, but I paid for a new phone, basically. I paid the new phone price. And, I mean, in the end, did I get a new phone? Yes. Could I have gotten a used phone? I don't know. Like, I don't know what they have for renewed premium. So, not too sure how that works out. If a lot of them are just going to be new, if a lot of them are used. I was actually thinking about maybe purchasing an iPhone 13 mini. Because one, I want an iPhone 13 mini, just for, beta and stuff like that. And they have the renewed premium ones on Amazon. So I was thinking about picking one of those up and seeing if it was the same case. If I get do I get a new one? Do I get a used one? Just what the case may be. But it takes a little bit for those to come in for some reason. Like next week, a week or two. So I don't know. I'm thinking about doing it. Maybe I will, maybe I won't. We shall see. But that is my experience with the Amazon renewed premium iPhone and my experience with the renewed premium program. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.